Hey Spices! So today we are doing a collaboration video called We Cook with Coffee. So obviously the key ingredient is coffee, and if you want to find the other channels that have joined this collaboration, just click on the hashtag right above the title, We Cook with Coffee. So in today's video we are going to make a roast beef sandwich. So the first thing we need to start on is cooking a roast. So let's go spice things up. What we have here is a small chuck roast, and we are going to put this coffee barbecue rub on the chuck roast.
We picked up this dry rub in a cute little spice and tea shop on our trip to Arizona. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
And now we are going to add a cup of brewed coffee right around the sides. This is the liquid that helps cook your roast. That makes it nice and tender. Now we are just going to put the lid on, and we are going to put it right in the oven at 300 degrees for 4 hours. Alright guys, so while the roast is cooking, we are going to make our sauce. So we are going to make a garlic aioli sauce, and this sauce is to die for. It is like a bad boyfriend. A little bit dangerous, but you just can't get enough. So what we are going to add first are 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. We are going to mince 3 garlic cloves, a couple dashes of Worcestershire sauce, and then just a little bit of honey Dijon mustard, a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of cayenne pepper, and some salt and pepper, and then give it a good stir.
And I should probably just taste it. Okay, all right, I won't. I'll wait. It's so good though.
It has been 4 hours.
Now we're gonna take the meat out.
Whew, it is nice and tender. And we are just gonna slice it. All right, time to build our sandwich. So what we have here are some French style steak rolls. And I'm just gonna cut them and open them up flat. And now I'm gonna cut a couple slices of smoked mozzarella. This is some cheese that we smoked ourselves. And if you wanna know how to smoke your own cheese, I will link the video below. Now we are gonna add our roast right on top.
Oh, this smells amazing, guys. All right, so now we are gonna just break these apart.
And lay one on top of the meat and one on the other side. All right, so I turned the oven on broil, and we're just gonna lay it right under the broiler for about 5 minutes till the cheese becomes a little golden brown. All right, time to add your bad boyfriend on there. Just slather that on there. Ooh, 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 ooh. Not too much though. Oh yeah, melts right on there. Close it up.
And voila. If you'd like to see any more videos, please click this link or this link. If you'd like to subscribe, click my face. And remember, I'm always here to help you make beautiful memories through food.